Nashville's known across the country and across the world as the music city. A lot of our roots in country music, but it's also become a healthcare city. And the incredible depth and talent of healthcare companies, public and private, publicly held and private organizations, for profit, not for profit, really are a microcosm of healthcare in the United States, both as an ecosystem here in Tennessee, taking care of patients, and the companies headquartered here taking care of patients worldwide. It's an incredible environment of depth, talent, and innovation. And so there's this natural pressure that the healthcare systems in this part of the country are facing of keeping up with the very positive attribute of demand, of clinical need and utilization. So I think the demographic growth of the region, coupled with the evolution of services that are in the wheelhouse of what Ascension St. Thomas provides, has created a need for more capacity. And so we're constantly focused on how to keep up with the growing needs of our community so we can continue to be easy to access and convenient for patients, health plans, and doctors. I'm a techno optimist, so you have to forgive my bias, but I'm very excited about the direction and the opportunity that we have. I'm also really encouraged that we're at the precipice of a very new, um, I don't want to use the word transformation because it's such a lame word and it's so overused and misused. But we're at this stage of new novel technologies that will have an order of magnitude differential impact on productivity, efficiency, clinical and administrative workflow changes that can really address and kind of create a leapfrog moment for the industry as it relates to creating better access and a more efficient delivery system. You've got to find the right balance of finding ecosystem level solutions or enterprise level solutions on one hand, but then some of the best technology doesn't fit that way. And you have to take some, point partnerships to make that happen. So I think we're open to both, but we generally err on the side of, is this a real problem? Is it a deep enough need? Is it worth the addition of a new novel application? Are we sure we don't have a lot of this percentage of this problem addressed differently? So we kind of think through those dimensions a bit. But big picture, we want to take healthcare where it ought to go in this country and for our patients. And sometimes that means we need to be early adopters. Yeah, no, I think listen and seek first to understand. I think there's so much we can learn from each other. The more time I spend, whether it's learning about the system in the UK or the rest of the world, I'm humbled by how much opportunity we have to learn from each other. There's we deal with a lot of the same big picture public health challenges. We feel the same sense of mission and responsibility above all else that always encourages me when we spend time together. And, while our systems and policies in our countries might be different, there's insights that come from that as well that we don't get exposed to in our day-to-day rhythms. And so I found it to be an incredibly encouraging builder of insight, knowledge, but also just the culture of collaboration just makes organizations better and makes individuals better.